Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to fix Overwatch 2 not loading or not launching. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first open up your Battle.net launcher. I have mine already open here. Now make sure Overwatch 2 is selected and click on the cog icon here. Now click on Scan and Repair. So this is going to automatically download some missing game files and repair some corrupted game files as well. Another thing you can do is to open up your drives here and locate where you installed your game. So typically it would be on Program Files, Overwatch, Beta, and here right click this one and click on Properties. So from this one, go to Compatibility, and here you need to disable full screen optimizations and click on Apply and click on OK. So if you're still having some issues, you need to make sure to update your display driver. Now once your driver is updated, make sure to optimize your GPU for the game. So from this one, you can go to your game's details and here check your settings, and you can click on Optimize to make sure that the GPU is optimized to play the game. So here you can also go to Settings and make sure to make Display Mode to Windowed and click on Apply. So you can always change this to full screen during the gameplay. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.